Hey guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So today in this tutorial we will learn that how we can make a circuit of the NOR logic within the tinkercad. So first you need to see this create new design button and just click on it. It will open us the tinkercad environment window. Or wait, you have to select the circuits rather than 3D design. So click on create new circuit. Okay, now for NOR gate design, first you must know that which IC you are going to use. So here we will use 74HC02 package. So this is our quad NOR gate. Why it is called as quad? Because it has inbuilt 4 NOR gates. So we can use all of the 4 gates at the same time. Okay, now one more thing, that either what about its operational voltages, like on how much volts it used to operate. So I am telling you that tinkercad is not providing any 5-volt power supply. So you just go for 9-volt battery first, or just write battery here, and you will get this alkaline battery, and just rotate it out a bit. Okay, now you cannot directly operate our 74HC02 package on 9 volt. So in order to convert 9 to 5 volt, you can use 7805 voltage regulator. Okay, this regulator will convert 9 volts to the 5 volts. So connect the positive side of the battery with the input of the voltage regulator, and the mid pin or the ground of the voltage regulator to the negative side of the battery. Okay. Also connect the ground of the 74HC02 with the ground of the voltage regulator. After it, you need to arrange your wires, because there isn't any sort of auto arrange functions like in Proteus or in other softwares. Also, what about the power? You need to connect the power pin with the out of the voltage regulator. Okay, now we have given the power to the IC. Now first thing, we will just use one NOR gate. So we will take, for output, we will see the output on an LED. So we will get an LED. And one thing more, you should have to connect 1/4 watt 220 ohm or 200 ohm resistor with that of the LED, because this LED, particular LED, cannot operate on 5 volts. So this resistor is considered as the current limiting resistor. So we will attach the cathode side of the LED with the ground of the IC. Okay, now anode anode of the LED must be connected with the output 1 of the NOR gate. So because one pin is representing output 1, so now we will take 2 dip switches. Okay, now connect these terminals, the first 1B terminal of both the switches with each other, and then connect the out of the voltage regulator with these connectors like this, because because we need 5 volts for our inputs, like 5 volts in digital electronics simply means 1 and 1, and if there is ground on the input it is called as 0. So 0 and 1s in digital electronics are just the 5 volt and ground. But here we are not going to use ground, because I think without grounds we can run it out. So because when there isn't any sort of input on the input, this IC will consider it as the ground or 0, and when there is 5 volt it is considered on its inputs as 1. So now we will connect our one of the input with the 1B, and 1A input must be connected with the 1A. Okay, now I think that our circuit is completed, perfectly completed. Now we will start our simulation. Now one thing to be mentioned, that in NOR circuit, when there is 0 and 0, then LED must be on. Like 0 and 0 will give us 1, because NOR is the opposite of OR, or the inversion of OR gate. So when our switches are at 0 and 0, as you can see that our switches are at 0, so when both are 0, then our LED is on. When second is high or 0 1, then it is off. When first is high and second is low, still it is off or at 0. So one on and one off switch means it is 1 and 0, and the LED is off. When we will make both of them 1, still it is off. But again we will make it down, we will down both the switches 0 and 0, and it is on. So simply now we have verified our NOR gate. Now you can copy it and you can run it in your tinkercad platform. So thanks for visiting our channel.